Very good morning to everyone, students. I'm Gaurav Ahuja, your maths and reasoning teacher. Today, we are going to start a new chapter number 18, area of trapezium and a polygon. Okay, so first we'll learn basic concept behind this chapter, then we'll solve some question based on it from the exercise. Okay, get ready, bachcho, with your notebook, book, and pen. Students, can you see the white screen? Can you see the whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is a trapezium? Students, in previous classes, even in class 5, we have studied about polygons. And we are in class 8, so we should know the concept of polygon. Still, I am just explaining what is a trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. One pair of opposite side is parallel. Let's say name of this trapezium is A, B, C, and D. And if AB is parallel to CD, but AD is not parallel to BC, means one pair of opposite sides are parallel. In quadrilateral ABCD, AB is parallel to CD, then quadrilateral ABCD is a type of quadrilateral that the name of this quadrilateral is trapezium. Okay, बच्चों, तो quadrilateral ABCD where one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Now, बच्चों, in this chapter we have to learn area of a trapezium. Area of trapezium. I will write TRAP and dot. Okay, and I'm not writing complete definition of trapezium. What is area of trapezium? बच्चों, as we know, area of rectangle is L into B. Area of square is side into side. Area of triangle is half base into height. Similarly, area of trapezium is half sum of parallel sides into height, where h is the perpendicular distance between these two parallel lines. Where h is perpendicular distance between these two parallel lines. Suppose Pradyan say, sir, if I am drawing perpendicular from B to CD, then देखो, this is a curve. I don't want to make curve because okay, snake type curve बन गया. But what I'm trying to draw a perpendicular. Okay, use scale. I cannot use scale right now. So let's say F. So this, बच्चों, if two lines are parallel, as we know, as two lines are parallel, the perpendicular distance between these two lines will be same all over. Am I right? So here height is h. So here I have यहाँ पे क्या होगा, height h ही होगी. So what is h? H is the perpendicular distance between these two parallel lines. Okay. So what is the formula? What is the formula to find area of trapezium? This is half sum of parallel side into height. Anoki, name them, बच्चे. Sum of parallel sides. Name of the parallel side. Anoki, name the parallel sides that we have in this diagram.
Sir, A, B, E, F,
No,
A,
beta.
E, and B.
Beta.
Then may I tell?
Initially, what was the diagram? Diagram में ये तो कुछ था ही नहीं. ये तो मैंने कंस्ट्रक्शन करके I show you.
B and DC.
Yes, AB and CD. These are parallel lines, and the perpendicular distance between these two lines is, yeah, let's say h, because we can write AE or FB whatever you like, but I am writing h, where h is the perpendicular distance between these two lines. So what is the formula to find area of trapezium? That is half sum of parallel side into height. Okay,
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
बच्चों, this is the basic concept behind this chapter. We should know the formula of trapezium. You know, in the next exercise, we'll have some polygons where we'll have rectangle, square, trapezium. Then we have to split that diagram into different parts. Each part we have to find area. Then we'll add and we'll get the answer. But in first exercise, we'll get only question based on this formula. Okay, get ready, bachcho. We are starting exercise 18A from R.S. Agrawal, page number 207.
Sir, we have done 2 questions.
Yes, well, last 2 questions yesterday we did. है ना?
Sir, first 2.
First and second question we did.
Sir, in that merge class of B and C.
Okay, exercise 18A. First question we did earlier. Okay, let's try once more. Okay, so we are starting this chapter, so we are not skipping any question. Okay, question number first. We have to find the area whose parallel sides are 24 and 20 and distance between them is 15. Students, listen carefully. I'm really, I'm happy to teach all of you. You know why? Because some of you are very keen to gain knowledge. You know, if I'm teaching and students are sitting in front of me just showing their faces or not showing their faces and they are just ideal and they are sitting only, not watching, even not studying at home, but you all are active, and if I will ask question, you all respond. So I really proud of you. So in these types of question, if we are making a diagram, you know, स्मॉलर डायग्राम, यू नो, पेंसिल का इस्तेमाल किया, स्केल का, यू नो, स्केल अगर नहीं भी यूज कर रहे हैं देन चलेगा, बिकॉज दिस क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नॉट बेस्ड ऑन डायग्राम, बट इट विल बी easy for us to understand the question. ठीक है, I am drawing, I will not draw diagrams in the other questions, but I will tell if I am drawing a rough diagram in front of in the, ठीक है, A, let ABCD is a trapezium. Here we have given 24 and 20. As we can see, AB is smaller side, 20 centimeter, 24 centimeter, and perpendicular distance यहाँ लगाया ऐसे, और we have 15 centimeter. So now picture is clear in front of us. You know, we don't need to read this question again and again ki what is given. Okay, so now we'll write, first we'll write area of trapezium. We'll write formula, half sum of parallel side. Don't write complete, because complete formula now, because we have made a diagram. So we can write, Riyanshi,
Sir, AB plus DC.
CD DC into height. Now
Sir, into height.
half sum of parallel side 20 plus 24
Oh,
into height. Height is 15. From there we'll get area in centimeter square. Okay, now calculation part आपके पाले में जाता है. You have to solve yourself. ठीक है, चलो. Now try second question. I know there will be no query because you all are intelligent more than me.
sir, 330 centimeter cube.
Next is area of trapezium whose parallel sides are given, distance is given. Now you can draw a diagram. Again we'll find area of trapezium. First we'll write formula. बच्चों, if you are writing formula and at last some error comes and answer आपका wrong हो जाता है, तो teacher will bound to give some marks because you have written formula, you tried very well. At last अगर minor mistake होती है तो you will get 3.5 out of 4. If you have not written formula, you will get 2. You know, So it is a trick to fetch the marks from the teacher. So if you are writing the formula, if your presentation is fine, तो टीचर को वो लगेगा, दुख होगा नंबर काटते हुए. बट इफ योर प्रेजेंटेशन इज पुअर, तो टीचर को गर्व होगा काटते हुए नंबर. व्हाट डू यू वांट? शुड आई फील गर्व ऑन यू? ओके, तो वही चीज है कि प्रेजेंटेशन शुड बी फाइन. ठीक है, चलो. नाउ एरिया ऑफ ट्रिपीजियम. Again, we have given half sum of parasite. You have to write formula. I'm not writing now. And dimensions are parallel sides 38.7 plus 22.3 into height. Height is 16, and we'll find the area in centimeter square. Some students miss the unit. They never write, they just write the answer like 333. No, there is no unit. Okay? So if you are in school, so it may happen the teacher will skip that part and he or she will give full marks. But in board examination, half mark will be deducted. तो स्कूल में भी कट हो सकता है, तो unit is compulsorily part. You have to write the unit and don't write centimeter because we are finding area. So area will be centimeter in centimeter square because all units are in centimeter. Okay. Yes. Now try third question. The shape of the top of a surface. But don't. Now you can find the answer. There's no need to tell. Yes, Priyanshi, do you want to say something?
Sir, I have find the answer, sir, of second 488 centimeter square.
Okay, 2 marks rewarded, beta. Note it down. Chalo.
Sir, I also.
Okay, 3 marks.
Sir, first also.
2 marks. Chalo, ठीक है.
Ma'am, sir, I also got answer.
Very good, beta. 40 out of 40. Let's start next question. Question number 3. So we have a tabletop 1 meter high. Sorry, the length of parallel sides are given 1 meter and 1.4 meter. And the perpendicular distance between these two parallel lines is given 0.9 meter, I think. So yes, 0.9 meter. Now we can find area of trapezium easily. Area of trapezium, that is half sum of parallel side into height. As unit is in meter, answer will come in meter square. Anyone who got the answer? Any student?
Yes, sir. I got the answer.
Very good, beta. Tell me. Tello. Yes, beta. What answer you got?
1.08 meter square.
Very good, beta. Excellent. I am proud of you, and I feel proud
sir.
that I am your teacher. Chalo, 1.08 meter square. Excellent. Chalo. Now try fourth question. In fourth question, area of trapezium is given. Now यहाँ पर उल्टा हो गया. Area of trapezium is given, that is 1080 p. Not p, it is centimeter square. Okay, 1080 centimeter square. Length of parallel sides are given. Let's say AB, and if you are drawing the diagram, then you will be showing like AB is equals to given 55 centimeter, and just opposite to AB, what we will have? AB, then CD will have, na? That is 35. And we have to find the perpendicular distance between these two parallel lines. Let distance between these two parallel lines is H, or you can assume X, whatever you like. Okay. Now we'll write the formula. Area is equals to half sum of parallel side into height. Area is 1080, half AB CD H. Now we'll find height. 1080 half 90
Sir, I got the answer.
H 24. I got full marks. So what answer you got?
Sir, 24.
Arey वाह. 2. So I was the first to 45. 45 H. Cross multiply. H is equals to 1080 upon 45. Now 1080 upon 45 will divide, will get 24. So we got 24 centimeter. It means perpendicular distance between these two parallel lines is 24 centimeter. Okay. So my writing is fine now. My presentation is fine.
Yes, sir.
So how many marks
Yes,
you are
sir.
going to give me?
Sir,
for-
100
Sir,
out of
A
100.
plus plus.
बस ठीक है बेटा. So don't accept
Sir.
vice versa. Don't expect vice versa. ठीक है.
Sir,
Yes बेटा.
sir, you have got 1080 upon 45 with, sir, which number?
Which number means? Acha, from by which number I am cutting? I am simplifying. 45 से ही काट दिया सीधे. 45 to the 90. 45 for the 180. Okay. You can start from 5. You can start from 3. First from 3, then 3, then 5. Okay. Fifth question. A field is in the form of a trapezium. Area is given. So area is given 1586 meters square. If the distance between parallel sides is 26, so distance, because I am drawing the diagram, I'm not drawing, you have to draw. Okay? Because it will clear a picture in front of you and in front of a teacher also. But while drawing a diagram, एक चीज का ध्यान रखना, you have to use pencil. And if you can draw a straight line, then use freehand picture, freehand diagram. But if your drawing is not fine, so use ruler to draw the straight lines. Okay? Because this question is not based on diagram, है ना? But it will be easy for us to understand. And perpendicular distance is given. Perpendicular distance between these two is 26 centimeter meter. This is meter. Okay. What is given? If one parallel side is 84 meter, we have to find other parallel side. Let's say x meter. Okay. Let's assume that other side is x. So area of trapezium is half sum of parallel side 84 plus x into height 26. Am I right? हाँ जी. तो area of trapezium is 1586 is equals to half 84 plus x multiplied by 26. Now listen बच्चों, how we solve that part. When if I will be in your class, if I would be in your class, what I will be doing, I will be multiplying 26 inside the bracket. But now I got how to make calculation easy. So what I'm doing, I'm just 2 1 I cannot divide 84 by 2 because 84 is inside the home with his family. Okay, plus x. So we cannot divide it by 2. Okay, but 26 is out of the station, you know, out is out from the home, घर से निकाल दिया गया है. तो 2 13 जा I can divide. Okay, now this 13 I'm again not going to multiply inside the bracket. This is in the numerator part. I will shift this one, you know, this 13 in the denominator part, and calculation part will become easy. Okay, so what I'm going to do?
Sir, 38 meter is the answer.
Yes,
Yes,
beta.
sir.
So 1586 upon 13 is equals to 84 plus x. 1586 upon 13, if I will divide, what I will get? 84 plus x is equals to 13 1 ja 13, 13 2 ja 26, 13 2 ja 26, 122. Now shift 84 towards the right side and we will get the answer. What answer we'll get?
Sir, 38 meter.
So
Sir,
student,
38.
yes, check my calculation. If I am wrong, let me know. If I am right, correct yourself. Okay, बच्चों. Next question. Sixth question. Okay, we are starting sixth question. Get ready, बच्चों. In question number 6, area of trapezium is given. Okay, जी. Area of trapezium is given. Area of trapezium is 405 centimeters square. If parallel sides are in ratio 4:5, let parallel side, don't write, read this as let 11 sides. This is parallel sides, okay? 4x and 5x respectively. When I was kid, when these types of question come na, and it is written like 4:5 respectively, then I used to think ki, yes, this question is very respectful because they are giving respect to 4 and 5 because 4:5 respectively. Chalo, 4x and 5x. And what is given? The distance between these two parallel lines, yani h is given. H is given like 18 centimeter. Yes, 18 centimeter. So area of trapezium is half sum of parallel side, means 4x plus 5x, because ratio is 4:5 now. 4x plus 5x into height 18. Now we know area is 405 centimeters square. Okay, let's put that 405, 4x plus 5x into 18. Now we all know that 4x plus 5x is 9x. Okay, so 405 is equals to half. Half से ऐसे करते कट कर देते हैं. Outside the bracket we have 9. Okay, so we'll have for 9x inside the bracket and 9 outside the bracket. So now we have to find x. 405 upon 9 into 9. Now Priyanshi will ask, sir, how we will cut it? So we will cut it by hand, you know. Now what we are going to do,
The answer.
9
Sir,
4
got the answer.
9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45, 9 5 ja 45, got x is equals to 5 centimeter. Now this is the value of x, bachcho. This is the value of x, you know.
Yes.
So
Yes,
we
sir.
have to find parallel sides. So parallel sides are 4x and 5x. Therefore parallel.
Sir, answer is 20 and 25.
Sir,
Yes, 4x and 5x. 20 centimeter as well as 5 ja. Yes, 5 ja 25. 25 centimeter. ठीक है, आंसर. Okay. Let's
Yes,
try.
sir.
Beta, kindly टाइम का ध्यान रखना. You let me know just 2 minutes before.
sir, next period is also yours.
Okay, so let's continue without any break. Seventh
Yes,
question.
sir.
No. I know कि you all have to eat, take breakfast. Some of you will take bath. Seventh question. The area of trapezium is 180. Okay. Area of trapezium is 180 centimeter square.
सही next नहीं है ना
This is the last question we are doing.
Yes. 180 centimeter square. And its height is 9. And height of seventh na? Okay, the area of trapezium 180 centimeter and its height is 9 centimeter. Height is 9 centimeter. Height means perpendicular distance between parallel lines. Okay. Now, if one of the parallel side longer than other by 6 centimeter, let us assume, let's say one parallel side is x centimeter, length of other side, that is x plus 6. Am I right? Because other side is 6 centimeter longer than the first side. Got it? Now, what will the formula? Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equals to half sum of parallel side into height. Got it? Now 180. Now बच्चों सुनो ध्यान से. This 2 9 को कट नहीं कर पाएगा, है ना? What we are doing? Just shifting this 2 on the left side. Shifting this 9 on the left side. Denominator part में it will come x plus x, 2x plus 6. 9 2s are 18, 20. So 2x plus 6 we got as 40. Now shift this 6 towards the other bank of the river. 2x is equals to 40 minus 6, 34. From here x is equals to 70. So one side is 6 centimeter more than other side. What we will do? We'll just write parallel sides. So therefore first side is 17, add 6, you'll get 23. 17, 23 centimeter required parallel side. Parallel sides. Okay? Because one is x, other is x plus 7. Okay, बच्चों? Any doubt? No, sir. Okay.
No, sir.
Very good. Now, we'll solve question number 8. Don't get late. Start question number 8. Okay? In this question, in a trapezium shaped field, one of parallel side is twice the other. Okay? One parallel side is twice the other. Let first side x, okay, x centimeter. Second side is twice the other, 2x centimeter. Now what is given? Area 9450. Oh, area is 9450. Oh, yes. Centimeter square. And perpendicular distance between these two sides, 84 meter. I think question is based on meter, and I am writing like centimeter. Now you can change yourself. You change unit yourself. Now I'm not going to change. I will solve this question with centimeter only. Okay, centimeter square. You have to write meter in all cases. Like first side we x meter. Okay, I'm changing. Because nahi to you will cut my marks. Sorry, ma'am. Okay. Now I am taking. Now I will correct myself, ma'am. Sorry. So x meter, 2x meter, area is 9450 meters square, and perpendicular distance is given 84 meter. And h, 84 meter. Now we have to find the length of parallel sides. So area is half of sum of parallel side into height. I'm not writing formula again and again, but you have to write, okay? Because in the examination you will get 1 or 2 question based on this topic. So आपको तो दोनों बार लिखना होगा formula, ठीक है? Now area is 9450, half as it is x plus 2x, 3x, and h is 84. So how we will cut this? We'll cut this like 2 1 ja, 242 ja. Okay, now x is 9450 and 3 this 3 and this 42. We'll shift on left side in the denominator part. 3 into 42. How we will cut this? Again, we'll reduce that with, you can start from 3. Okay, don't multiply denominator number like 3 and 42 then dividing, just simplify it. So 3 से cut करते, 3 3 are 9, 3 1 ja 3, 5 ja 0. Now 42 will have in the denominator part. Okay, yes, let me know what answer we'll get jaldi.
75.
Sir, 75.
अरे वाह, very good बच्चे, 75. Einstein, चलो, x is 75. So first side is x. The length of first side is 75. Other side is twice the first. The second side will
Sir,
be.
Sir, 150.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. But please don't deduct my marks. I'm going to write unit also. Meter. Okay. So 75 meter and 150 meter is the right answer. Got the point? Any doubt, बच्चों?
No doubt, sir.
Very good.
No doubt, sir.
Excellent, excellent, बच्चे. Really, I am feeling proud of myself that I am teaching you. Thank you. Chalo ji. Now next.
Sir, time over.
At 10:05.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll continue this in next class. Take care. Bye bye, bachcho. That's all for this class. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, beta.